Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out today. This one is a books bundle called Pocket Reference Guides by O'Reilly. So this is your programming books in Pocket Reference Edition Guide. Yeah. It is $255 worth of awesome stuff, but I actually got a little bit different, and I will do a breakdown for you of how much everything was. These are DRM free since they're books, which just means that you can have them on all your different devices at the same time. So your book, your laptops, your tablets, your desktop computers, all the different places. And that's where the multi-format comes in handy, because these are in PDF, MOBI, and EPUB files. And so far there are 372 bundles sold because, yeah, it's a popular bundle and it's only been out for less than 4 hours. If you, for any reason, need to come back and take a look, don't forget to hit this little reminder bell. It'll send you an email before the bundle's over so you don't accidentally miss out on it. That comes in handy quite a few times. I can't tell you how many times I forget to purchase it while I'm on the page, if it's a bundle I want. So yeah, if you want to see the other bundles, click up here. And any that are in red, make sure and take a look at those because they have less than 2 days. And once they're gone, they're gone. Alright, so if you're new to Humble Bundle, the way this works, there are different tiers in a bundle. So today we have a $1 tier, a $10 tier, and an $18 tier. So what it means is you get everything in that tier plus everything above. So for the $1 tier, that's our first tier, so you would just get the dollar stuff. But if you purchase the $10 tier, you would also get the $1 tier. The $18 tier, you would get the $10 tier and a $1 tier also. Alright, so... And, of course, if you already know what you want, you can click on Get the Bundle button, and it'll take you directly to the bottom. So let's take a look and see what all is in these. Now, I do have to say, for my prices, in order to find the digital versions, I had to, when you click on these right here, it takes you to O'Reilly, but it also says purchase on O'Reilly, or you can purchase on Amazon. Well, O'Reilly only has the printed versions on their site unless you do their monthly plan. Well, unless you do their subscription plan. And for an individual, it's $49 a month for that plan. So what I did was, the prices I have for you on each of these are on the Kindle edition. So you would have to purchase them on Amazon. And that's just if you purchase them separately. Of course, if you purchase the bundle, you'll already get all of them. So, all right. So you can also click here to get a little PDF preview, since these are PDFs, and read a little bit more about what all each book entails. I'm just going to go over the quick version and tell you how much they normally would cost, so you can see what your savings would be and make a better informed decision on what you would like. All right, so the Windows PowerShell Pocket Reference, it is a 2nd edition, and it is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Then we have the SQL Pocket Edition. It is 3rd edition, and it is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Vi and Vim Editors Pocket Reference, this is a 2nd edition, and it is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Then we have the grep Pocket Reference 1st edition. This one is also $16.99 on Kindle. Then we have SED and SED and AWK Pocket Reference 2nd edition. This one is normally $7.99 on Kindle. So that brings our grand total of the top tier to $75.95. And you're just going to pay $1. Obviously, I already think it's an excellent deal. So, all right, but next we have the pay $10 tier. So for this one, we have C++ Pocket Reference, and this one is normally $7.99 on Kindle. Then we have the regular Expressions Pocket Reference. This one is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Then we have C# 8.0 Pocket Reference, Instant Help for C# 8.0 programmers. This one is normally $21.99 on Kindle. Then we have the Java Pocket Guide, but this is a 4th edition, and this one is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Then we have C Pocket Reference, and this one is normally $7.99 on Kindle. All right, so that brings our grand total for tiers 1 and 2 to $147.90. Again, obviously, an amazing savings. Then we have our $18 tier, which means, of course, you will get everything. So first is Machine Learning Pocket Reference, and this one is normally $21.99 on Kindle. Then we have Bash Pocket Reference 2nd edition. This one is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Linux Pocket Guide 3rd edition, and this one is normally $16.99 on Kindle. Then we have Python Pocket Reference 4th edition, and this is normally $16.99 on Kindle. And Git Pocket Guide 1st edition, and this is normally $16.99 again on Kindle. So that brings our grand total to $237.85. It is a little different than here versus the $255. I got $237.85. But again, it is still a huge savings and definitely worth $18 if this is stuff that you're going to use, or if you know somebody that would use this. And as always, Humble supports a charity, so this one is Code for America, like most of the coding bundles. All right, so then if we scroll down below, here, the Humble Choice today, March 1st, is the very last day for the February one. Tomorrow, the new March Humble Choice comes out, because it comes out Tuesday, the first Tuesday of every month, starting in March. All right, so to purchase, you're going to click on the amount you want, or sometimes the dollar amount disappears, or if you want to put a different amount, like if you want to give extra to charity or whatever, because you can actually choose where your money goes. So you can actually hit custom amount. If the dollar one disappears, just put that in there, or if you want to put a custom amount. If you purchase anything other than the top tier, these warnings now pop up. It's just saying that if you do not purchase this, pay this much more, you will not get that tier. If you do not pay this much more, you will not get that tier. And it's whatever tier you choose, it's perfectly fine. That's all this means. All right, but that add to cart is only for Humble Choice. So, but if you want to give it as a gift, you click here, put their email in. You can even click to make it anonymous because that's fun. But here's where you're going to pay. Pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it. Again, the prices I did are for the Amazon Kindle version. However, that is only because if you want these on any other way, the only way you're going to be able to do it is purchase it here or have a subscription on O'Reilly, which is, I mean, a monthly subscription. So that's up to you. All right, if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below. And of course, I have my link. I am a Humble partner, so I do make a little bit off if you purchase any of the bundles off my links. But it does not cost you anything extra, so you don't have to worry about that. And if not, you can always go straight to humblebundle.com, check out all the bundles, and do your purchases there. All right, that is it for today. Thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell. That way you can see when the new videos come out. Till next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye!